Do you want to extract hundreds of business leads, locations, or reviews from Google Maps? Okay, no coding needed. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step using this software. Now let's come to the software part. So this is the software Google Maps Data Extractor, a business intelligence tool by engineeradda.in. So what it provides? It provides a very cheapest pricing, and it provides you accurate results for extracting Google Maps data. First, you need to get a plan. The plan starts with just $5. You can choose as per your requirement, and once you purchase a plan, just enter your email address here. It should be associated with your payment details, so you can log in or you can sign in the software. So once you sign in the software, your user interface will be looks like this. Now I'm gonna show you a demo how this works. So let's type Sydney, Australia. We are gonna extract in the radius of 35 kilometers. Okay, and business keywords, computer training. Okay, now click on start extraction. So here you can see we have found 15 businesses found. Now let's export the data in Excel format. So this is how this software works. You can upgrade your plan anytime. I hope you enjoyed the video and you understood how to use this software. It is very easy to use. Thank you very much, guys.